Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, I am talking about the problem number 881, which is sports to save people. In this question, problem is you are given an array people where people I uh, is is the weight of the ith person and the infinite number of boats are there, where in which each boat can carry maximum weight of limit. Each boat carries at most two people at the same time, provided the same of the weight of those people is at most limit. Return the minimum number of boats to carry every given person. There are three examples given here. As you can see, 1 2 is there, limit is 3, so we can take both. Here 3 2 2 1, limit is 3, so we can take 1 plus 2 3 2 and 3, so 3, and then 3 5 3 4 here, so we can take at 5 and then 3 3 uh, and 4, so all 4 should be in different boards. I solved this problem. I am using two pointer in this. For that purpose, I have to find. Um, I have to solve this by using, first of all, making it sorted. Because the array is not sorted, I am firstly sorting it. And then I will put here two pointer arrays initialization point. And then I will put here the value in which left is less than right, in which if people left people left plus people right is less than or equal to limit, then it will be count plus plus and count equal to 0. Then left plus first and right minus minus. As you can see here, 1 2 2 3, so one will be shifted to 2 and 3 will be 2, but limit is equal to 4. Here limit is 3, and if it is not, then else. What I want is not count here. I want only to right shift at left position, so it is shifted. Then I will return value. As you can see here, count is adding only when there are two peoples. When meanwhile what if there are not two peoples, then remaining are only single peoples. So what are single peoples are? The single peoples count is, first of all, I have to do what? I have to add this count into what? The single peoples. So what are the single peoples are there? There are single peoples means people dot minus 2 into count. 2 into count. 2 into count means all 2 into this. So it is right, and let's submit it. I know it is the right answer, but you can see its time complexity is good at 76.58% bits, and space complexity is also good at decent level, 24.56%. So as like this you can solve this problem. My problem solution is not that much optimized, but you can solve it using this approach. Thanks for watching.